Hello, mad people. Sing and dance and love the clash. While I'm mad here, Jelly, see, laugh till I sing properly. So go like and to subscribe. I'm gonna tell a friend them about me with my good body. Forget my dog. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't let the girl stash, and I'm back again with another lit ass skit. Yeah, yes. I'm back again with a skit. So, as you can already see down below by the title, this is part 2 for when time Jamaican go. You know, say I have different Jamaican people. Some aggressive, some shameful on them there. So let's just flick. No, let's just roll right into the skate. Into the skate. Morning.
Morning.
Wait, is your mask there, sir?
It's right there.
Morning.
Morning. So you came for the job interview?
Yeah.
Let me see some resumes. Hey, Miss Pam, tell me the truth.
My name is Pam. I'm come for the work, girl.
I cannot give you the work until I know more about you.
I'm 8 years old. I'm here 2 Britney. I want to walk to mind them.
Where have you worked before?
I'm not telling a lie. My dance at one club done so.
I can see that you're a vulgar and you're a club dancer, but we can't tolerate those people in here.
So I'm to that.
Miss, I'm so sorry, but we can't accept you, so please leave.
I'm not going nowhere. Oh, why what me come for?
Security, be careful.
Security for. Hey, what me come for, man? Alex?
Yes, sir. I'm coming, sir. Security, please take out this lady out of here, please. Yes, please come.
Come go away. I do what me come for.
Come this way. Come.
What's here? No, sir.
Come in. No, I'm not taking any more of these people in this place. I'm off for the day.
Yeah, that was a nice skit. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, share, drop a comment. Drop a comment and I can tell me what you want to say me do. So until next time, I'm out. Bye.